Ford, we need to talk. I've had my truck about a week and a half. First weekend I had it, battery was dead. I don't know what's going on, but I'm hoping that you guys got it figured out and that other people don't have this problem. I'm happy that you did do the update. It's been nice to have Ford Pass. It's been nice to have the other features to download the updates with. But, you know, I've had it again a week and a half. Mileage-wise, I seem to only get about 20 miles a gallon. Not any better, not any worse than my last 2019 EcoBoost. But, you know, what are you going to do? It's a truck. So we'll keep on it and see if it gets any better as time goes on. You know, going to be headed on a trip. We'll let you guys know. We'll document it. See what we can get for mileage running in normal mode. And, you know, we'll probably try eco mode. See if that helps us. If anybody knows, comment down below. You know, let us know. I'm really interested to see how we do. I've got about 530 miles on it, so a little bit. Unfortunately, upstate New York, it's not very flat. We don't get a lot of electric miles. Pros, though. With the electric motor, the hybrid combination, this thing's a rocket ship. You floor it, you're in the back of the seat, and you're gone. That part's really nice. The interior is really nice. It's been very comfortable riding around. The digital dash, the giant screen, all that's been pretty good. We'll see. Like I said, it's still early, but we'll keep trying and keep documenting it and letting you guys know to help you with your research when you decide to purchase or lease. So other than that, stay tuned, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.